Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon right here, and basically what this is a reversible plushie. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And if you guys remember in the past, I actually reviewed another one from this brand before, but this is a different design. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So for the one that we got right here is basically like a turtle design, which is slightly different than the other one that I showed you guys before. And for this one is also a reversible design. So this is what the product looks like from the front. Here is the side, here is the back, and here is other side. And if you guys want to reverse it to the other side, you basically want to go like this. And here is basically what the other side looks like. So you see for the product it is pretty cute when you guys do set it up. So you see for this side it's basically a happy option. And when you guys turn around the other side is unhappy or mad or angry. So when you guys do put this on your table or anywhere else, you guys can definitely let people know your mood, whether if you guys are happy or not. And I love how cute the product is when you guys do use it. If you see how she has these little legs on the side and also this little tail in the back. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth. And you guys also use it as stress ball as well, which is pretty nice. And for this product, they also have this available in many other designs and different colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But here is basically what the product looks like. And right here is the other one that I'm talking about for the Octopus option. And for this one, it is also reversible as well. So this one is happy, but if you guys reverse it, now you got angry. And for this one also feels the same way. It definitely feels very soft and very smooth. And it's also used as stress ball as well. So depending if you guys want a turtle option or if you guys want an octopus option, that is totally up to you guys. But definitely both of them work the same way. It's just different design in terms of character or the animal. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality toys that basically works as a plushie and also give you guys that reversible design. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.